Okay guys, we're coming into the main street here in Riverfront, which is close to where Albi grew up.
This is Albi's stomping ground.
Yeah, it's where Albi used to live as a kid and terrorised the town. In the next town up actually, but...
I went to the last school here.
Yeah, that's where we went to school. We're just coming in here. We're going to pick up a cupboard from here. It's about half an hour from where we are at Pinery. Let's keep going. Just here, I look at this. Just there, yep, in I pull it, yep. Huh? Just here where this second end, right there.
So we've got something a little different for you guys today. We've popped out to see Sandy, who was one of our viewers that's reached out to us. She's about 30 minutes from where we are, and she's restoring this old stone house. So I'll let her tell you the history, and we'll do a little walk around and just show you the amount of work and effort that she's put in. We're in awe of this little cottage and what she's done with it.
Okay, so this cottage obviously is on this property that our friend sold to us. I was pretty excited to see a little cottage on there. And the history that we know about it is that it was an inn and a farmhouse. This area had 9 buildings on it, and the cottage was in mainly pretty good condition, except for this wall here was falling down and the roof was falling off. So I decided to do some restoration work on it. This wall here was still up, but there were big gaps in it where it had fallen down, yeah. So originally had 3 small windows there and a small window there, and we decided to just put the 3.
Awesome, so the stonemason's been in, guys, and they've redone the whole outside of the cottage and the fireplace is inside. And this is Sandy, one of our viewers. So she reached out to us and she's come and had a look through our places and invited us out to come and have a look at her cottage, which she's restoring. It's about half an hour from where the Pinery places are. So Sandy has kindly offered to give us a walk through and show us through the cottage.
Okay.
Okay, so we come in this door here.
Yep, and this is going to be the kitchen, or probably originally was the kitchen. The fireplace here would have had a wood stove there.
And this has all been restored by the stonemason as well?
Yes, it has, yep.
Yep. So yep. Sandy's had to pull the ceiling off of this place because she said it was all falling in. So took it down basically to just the walls.
Yeah.
And I think you said it had a dirt floor in it?
This section had cement and the other 2 rooms had dirt. The Pinery fires went through here and there were no like wooden beams or anything left. They were all on the ground when we first bought it.
So yeah, she's a bit braver than us because she literally bought a basically a ruin and she's slowly fixing it up. So this is going to be a kitchen dining area.
Yep.
Absolutely gorgeous fireplaces. And then if we go,
yeah, if we go in
this
here,
cute little step.
This is going to be the laundry bathroom.
So you've added all the plumbing to the cottage?
Yeah, the plumbing has been put in here. and the builder is going to put some walls in just for the electrical power boxes and things like that.
So this one here is going to stay mainly stone, is it?
Yes,
one here,
this
yeah.
one here, yeah.
And then on this wall here, Sandy said they're going to build a timber wall just to put all the plumbing and electrical and that in behind it.
Yeah.
And I think you said the laundry's going over here in the corner?
The laundry here and toilet and shower.
So a little self-contained.
Yeah. Wet room, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And, you know, not a bad view
Nice view.
out of the bathroom.
Yep. And if we go back out through the kitchen, this is going to be the lounge room. You can see that the builder has already framed up that wall so they can put the power cables and stuff behind there. And I've got a combustion fire to go inside that fireplace, which I love.
Yeah, and once again, she's had the stonemason restore this fireplace with the original timber, which we were just saying how amazing it is. They've actually used an old tree and cut it up and put it in there. And then if you have a look at the walls here, I think we were just discussing, I think there's about 3 layers of old wallpaper there, 3 different designs, which is awesome. And I think, Sandy, you said that they're going to restore these old
these
windows
here on the front. Well, this originally was the front.
Yep.
So yes, we found a guy that does this. So this window and the window in the bedroom here.
Yep. So this will be the lounge room,
Lounge
sitting room.
room,
Yep.
yep. And through here will be the bedroom.
So it's a little 1-bedroom cottage.
Yep.
Which once again, I think Sandy said she's going to frame up 2 walls.
Yep.
And put plasterboard or something on those walls, and then
Yes.
keep 2 of the walls stone.
Yep.
So try and maintain a bit of the heritage.
Yeah.
And it's all been repointed all the way up to the top by the stonemason, and at the moment they're just putting a new roof on it because obviously with the pinery fires all that was burnt, and they're re-establishing that. So it's an absolutely gorgeous little place. We're a little jealous. I'll just take you out the front. So this here is the front of the cottage. Well, would have been the front back in the day.
Yep.
And I think Sandy said we think it used to be an inn.
It was an inn and a farmhouse. I'm not sure in what order.
Yeah.
But the road used to come, the Stockport Road came along here.
It's absolutely awesome. So the front 2 rooms, the lounge room and the bedroom, were the original cottage.
Yep.
And then the back 2 rooms where the kitchen and the bathroom laundry are were an add-on later.
Yeah, yeah.
But the stonemason's done an amazing job of tying it all in.
Yeah,
so
he has.
I'll do a bit of a walk around and show you guys his work because I'm in awe. He's done a very good job. As you can see here, guys, there's the add-on there. You can just see the line down there, but the stonemason's done a really good job of tying that in, and credit to him, his work is absolutely amazing. We're talking about these corners. So obviously this house is a little different to ours at Pinewood. We had the brick corners, but I think Sandy said it's about 1850's, this one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so as you can see here, they must have obviously unearthed these huge stones, and they've sat there and chipped away at them so that they actually created cornerstones out of the stone. So a little earlier, probably less access to bricks, so the whole house has been done with stones. You've probably seen a couple of bricks in the fireplaces, but they were probably added later. So yeah, this one's a really old house and some great stones. Like we're seeing some of the old original blue stones and that. So the field stones at our place are a little different because a lot of these cottages in South Australia were built with what was laying around. And yeah, some of the stones in this place are just awesome. And this is the view that she has out of her kitchen and bathroom windows, which is pretty spectacular. She said she's on about 5 acres here, so, and it goes down to a river. Just beyond those trees, she's got access to a river there, so that runs through on the edge of the property. So it's a pretty spectacular little place she's got here. So just here is the river that cuts through Sandy's property, and over there at the bank you can see the orange river bank. That's the edge of her property there. So talk about a pretty special location. We're a little jealous because it's an absolutely gorgeous little property. On our way back through the local town. This guy's obviously off to play around a golf. Let's drive his golf buggy down there.
He's got my old golf bag.
He stole it, did he?
I used to have that golf bag.
We're just racing.
The battery will be flat before he fucking finishes around a golf club.
He's off. Straight out of home, straight to the golf course.
Me boys.
Okay guys, we're back from our adventure. Went and bought some furniture, so just got to put it into the post office. So got a new cupboard here. Albi's always excited to go get furniture with me. And we did a little stop off to visit one of our viewers and had a little adventure today. Okay guys, so this is the cupboard I picked up for the kitchen. I think I'm going to paint it white or a light greeny colour. That's going to go in the kitchen here at the post office. Haven't been here for a while, so for all our new viewers, they probably haven't seen this property. But this is going to go in the kitchen at the post office, so I found it for a bargain and made Albie come and get it with me. He just loves coming to get furniture with me. Don't you, Albie? Job done, Albie?
Hey?
Job done?
Yeah, job's done.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Oh, it's a hint of sarcasm in your voice there, Albie.
No, it's all good. Let's go do some work.
All right, I'm coming back here, I think. Do some garden. So, quick morning off getting furniture. Albie had a blast. He loves coming furniture shopping with me. That's payback for the engine.
Yep.
Now I'm going to go and get to work.
Yep, now Ruben.
Yep. Okay, guys, I'll give you a quick update on the bulbs. As you can see, they're starting to pop up. We've got the daffodils and jonquils in there. There's also some alliums that are just starting to pop up, so they'll come through. So hopefully over the next month this starts to fill out, but the smell from the jonquils is amazing. And yeah, it could look better. It's the first year of them in. I want them to naturalise and take over this whole area. So I bought a bulk pack for landscaping pack, and I'm actually pretty happy with them. So I'll probably buy another couple next year.